All right, guys. Chasing Muscle Cars is at Motorama in Harrisburg. I'm telling you, this event is huge. There's 2 car shows. I'll show you this. I'll show you all of it. You got motocross, RC racing, karts, mini sprints, robot wars. Anyway, we're setting up on the car show side today in this video, and I'll take you along with that. And then the weekend we'll be checking out some other stuff, maybe some today. But all right, stick around. All right, so they're starting to pile in here. This place looks huge until you get it full. It is huge. It is huge. And once it gets full, it closes in just a little bit. But today is only setup day. As you know, I love doing these setup videos, and I love setup day because it means we're at a car show. We're going to take a closer look at this bad boy over the weekend. You've seen this one before, but you know I love them 55 gassers. So we're going to be taking a look at all those. There's our buddy over in the corner with his yellow truck. And then the young lady right there, she will have her S10 in here. We'll check all that. Maryland Chevelle Club's in the house. There you go right there. All right, that's a cool little car right there. I'll show you a little clip right here. All right. Got a pretty Chevelle over there. Got Mike set up. The old truck sitting right there. We got one more show with that truck, and then I should have the 55 back. We shall see. So we have so many custom cool trucks. This is a great show. All this over here is trucks right here. We'll get around to all of them. Right now I'm going to get my butt back to work, get my stanchions set up on the truck display, and thanks for tagging along. Stick around. That's awesome. All right, we're going to check this one out tomorrow, or a little bit more, maybe tomorrow morning. I'll come over and do something with this one once he has the display set up. All right, look at that. We got so many cool cars and trucks here. So, all right, once again, just having a quick look around. That thing sounds healthy right there. Our gasser over there. We got a Shelby right there. We're going to get behind that and under that cover too. There you go, buddy. Thank you. All right, they're still loading up, or unloading, I shall say. Coming in, we got vendors coming. Loading up. Got a nice T right there. We'll check that out over the weekend, that's for sure. I'm going to try to get in here first thing tomorrow morning early and get some stuff that I want before the crowds and the music cranks up. Look at that, boys. This show certainly is covered. Look at that. We'll get more of it. All right, this is the best of show right here. I'm predicting it 2 days in ahead. This car is absolutely, positively awesome. Just amazing. They're doing their setup. I'll get more of this one. The display is done tomorrow. But yeah, this is a lot of setup. You'll see. All right, we got Chad here with us this weekend with his beautiful 69 Camaro. Look at that. Isn't that nice? Yeah, buddy. Nice. Oh, look at that pretty fucking blow. Woo-wee. That is nice, buddy. Check out that cool gasser. Nice. Then we got Tony right there. Y'all seen this one on the channel before. And that's his spot right there. And he's got a setup display, so we'll check that out tomorrow. This one's almost done. We'll check that out tomorrow. Still got about, I don't know, three-quarter of it full, so we still got about a quarter more to go. So it should be a nice show. And yeah, this gentleman right here, that's the gentleman right in the middle, you can't see him there, he has that gold Camaro that's all factory original. I mean, yeah, beautiful car. I've done that in the past, so this is his. We'll check that out. That's pretty cool. Everybody's setting up. As you can see from the video so far, a lot of trucks. There is a beautiful truck that pulled in here a little while ago. I was busy, but I'm gonna make sure I get that too. So, all right, we're gonna cruise around and see what else we can get into. All right, we got the old truck inside at Motorama's, all set up in its spot. Clean as it's gonna get. One more show with that one, maybe. Who knows? Bobby loves it. Got Jeff right here. Jeffrey. He's all set up. We got Mikey Nova. He's in his spot. Nice. It's for all my gasser buddies. Awesome. He just put that new blower on her about a year ago. The interior's red, the glass is red. True old school gasser.
Okay, boss.
We ready?
Whenever you are.
Oh. All right, that's it for setup day. We'll see you in the morning.